In today's video, I will walk you through how to create a stacked column chart in Google Sheets. First, make sure your data is arranged in a table. Put your categories in the first column and your values in the next columns. For example, months in column A and different product sales in columns B and C. Once your data is ready, go to the top menu and click Insert, then click Chart. Google Sheets will automatically create a chart for your data. On the right side, the chart editor will open. In the Setup tab, find Chart Type and click it. From the list, select Stacked Column Chart. Your chart will update right away into a stacked column format. If needed, check the data range and make sure the correct columns are selected in the chart editor. Adjust them if something looks incorrect. Next, go to the Customize tab in the chart editor. Here you can change the chart title, adjust colors, and edit labels if needed. When you're done, your stacked column chart will be ready and displayed in your sheet.